Hey guys, thank you for watching this video. Okay, we got a 2021 Dodge Challenger. Basically, we added the shock sensor add-on to the factory alarm system because this car is like the #1 car right now for break my window, jump in, and they like to grab a laptop and clone another key and drive away with the vehicle. A lot of times they go ahead and leave it on full brakes and steal the rims and tires. So basically, yeah, by adding the shock sensor, if any banging, if the keyhole, or they try to break a window, fire off. Okay, I'm gonna rearm it, and it will protect the tires. You know, if they try to bust out these nut locks, it will fire off the alarm system. When you arm the factory alarm, they always have a little delay. By the way, if you have this type of vehicle and you want to add the shock sensor to it, you can always give us a call. We're in Miami. We take care of the from Homestead all the way to Fort Lauderdale and Pepper Pines area. If you're out of state, you can always give us a call and we'll guide you how to get this installed in your home state. The way to test it out too, if you have this type of vehicle, some of them don't come with a factory alarm. The inexpensive, the ones that don't have the full package or whatnot. The way to test it out is put your driver's window down, close the door, arm the alarm, wait about a minute, and then just reach in and pull the handle from the inside and open the door and see if the horn starts honking. And that way you're 100% sure that the car came with a factory alarm system. Okay. And then the remote start will still work from factory. You hit lock and you hit this twice. Just press it twice to shut it off. A lot of times we done these shock sensor add-on to these factory alarm. The guy had the car for like a year. He didn't even know what this button was for. And then when I show him, he was like, "Oh my God, I have remote start. I didn't even know this whole time." But anyway, yeah, those are funny stories. But yeah, if you have this type of vehicle and you definitely want to keep it in your driveway and you don't want it to disappear, the shock sensor add-on to the factory alarm is very crucial. And it is fully adjustable. We can set the sensitivity how high we want it, how low. Normally we set it where, I don't think it's going to go off that much. Maybe a thunder will set it off, or a coconut falls on top of your hood. It'll definitely set off the alarm. If somebody opens the door and bangs in your vehicle in the parking lot, it will fire off the alarm. Of course, if they try to bust out these nut locks out, or if the car falls in the bricks when they try to steal your rims and tires, it'll definitely trigger the alarm. But yeah, you can adjust to how sensitive you want it. So yeah, our numbers are 305-298-4814. That's 305-298-4814. And we thank you for watching this video.